Servicing your vehicle at a local mechanic shop doesn't necessarily save you money. Whether you need a new suspension, windshield repair, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Rosen Mazda Lake Villa, you can be sure to get fair pricing and better service. And at Rosen dealerships, you get a free car wash with every service visit, as well as a free shuttle to local shops and attractions. And if you want to avoid the wait, Rosen has express service available with no appointment. Visit us at rosenrosen.com, where you can order parts, schedule a service appointment, and view our inventory of parts and accessories. And read more about the Rosen Automotive family, where great cars and great people come together. Call, click, or come in for more information. Rosen Mazda Lake Villa is conveniently located at 855 East Grand Avenue in Lake Villa, Illinois.